All right, let's talk about your weather forecast. It's going to be raining pretty steadily, at least through about 3 or 4 o'clock. 47 degrees this hour, so things are warming up outside. But yeah, you're going to need that umbrella as you're heading out. And look at how much rain we've already seen. Half an inch already in Pittsburgh, but man, some big totals starting to show up just off to the west. We are expecting by 3 or 4 o'clock to likely see between about 1 inch to 2 inches of rain. Larger totals will likely be right along and south of I-70 is what it looks like at this point. And you can see parts of Westmoreland County, parts of Fayette County off to the west along I-70. That's where we have the flash flood watch. We also now have a flash flood warning in southern parts of Ohio because of the heavy rain that they've seen. So let's go over to radar and show you what's going on there. We have actually 2 rounds now of storms that'll be possible. We were talking about one all day long. That was the one for the really overnight hours about midnight. We also have another round of storms. This is going to be as a warm front. It's going to be right around the Columbus area, just south of there. Moves through, and we'll have a chance for some storms coming in. You can see all of the lightning that's being impacted by that. So heavy rain producers arrive. This right here, that's going to be those heavy rain producers we're talking about between about 3 and 5 o'clock. And then after that, it's going to be wind threat or a wind threat that we'll be looking at overnight tonight. That's about midnight in Pittsburgh. A little bit later than that if you're off to the east, where we'll have a line of strong storms coming through. At this point, we're seeing mostly rain showers coming in, maybe even a little bit of a break up into Lawrence County at this time. We'll continue to watch that right along I-80. You'll have the chance, or the smallest chance, for some rain this afternoon. Couple of breaks in the rain. I think if you're along I-70, you're probably not going to see much, if any, break all the way up until about 3 or 4 o'clock. So that's the best chance, and even thunderstorm chance. Best chance will be right along I-70 this afternoon. We do get a break after that, about 4 or 5 o'clock. You'll see that rain moving off to the east. We'll get a break, but if you look at radar, we'll start to see developing to our west another round of strong storms that'll impact our area. Now, officially, this is not going to be our cold front that's coming through. It will be a boundary that'll slide in. You can see the line of storms developing there, and some strong wind speeds will be possible. This will come in right at midnight in the overnight hours, and it will be moving very fast, probably at about 30 or 40 miles an hour as it comes in. That means anything out in your yard that is not tied down, that is likely to be blown around by wind, well, you're probably not going to have it tomorrow morning if you don't bring it inside. So that's why we're saying, hey, make sure you bring it inside. Here comes the cold front. Notice the time, about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. Temperatures go from the 60s down to the 40s in just an hour's time. And then by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we have snow showers out there. Doesn't look like at this point we'll see anything accumulating. Should melt on contact, but still some snow showers around. And as we're heading into the evening hours on Wednesday, we're looking at that snow pushing in even as far as I-70. So we'll see plenty of snow over the course of tomorrow. Nothing, though, is expected to stick at this point. As we're going into Thursday, look at just how cold temperatures are, down into the 20s as we're starting off on Thursday. I can tell you right now, an early, very early, making its case for worst weather day of the year is going to be on Wednesday. You get the thunderstorms first thing in the morning, then you get strong wind speeds. We could see wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour, and then you have those snow showers by the afternoon. So it's going to be all over the place tomorrow. Just rain and some storms possible to do.
Do we have any sunshine at all?
Yes, Thursday.
We get them all in there if we can. You know?
But it'll be a while. Also, interesting note, tonight in the overnight hours, warm as it's going to be over the next 7 days. So,
oh, wow.
Oh, that's encouraging.
While we're sleeping. Thanks, Ron.
Thank you, Ron. Well,
Right
tidings,
there.
isn't he? Yeah, thanks.
Interesting at least.